Hello guys, welcome my channel. Today I am giving you the full teach what is the student accident insurance and does our school need it. I will give you the full detail. Watch the video for full detail. Let's start the video. We know how much you can care about the student. You have declared your care, you are saving after the all you are observing the side during the some most production learning growing movement, but whether the learning and growing procedure come layer academies or some more harmful and other from academy causing the physical injuries that were the economies and several projections in aids as the bring insurance help for clients get the protection and they are need the student academy insurance we can care you can about the education insurance their students some of them children after all, so we want to make sure fully cover from the unfor accident will your student academy lies insurance and why important below. What is the student accident insurance? The student accident insurance is the general purchasing by the including with the student purchasing schools and coverage by the student and their partner from cause assessment begin injury schools events are also held private leading and passenger the student coverage accidentally the student accident percentagely and many other requirements are here to social here and external policies are there for to pay economy and adding distributions and poker external that are the visitor of student responsibilities and pocket monies and company executive asset many coverage of the school for payment. How? What does the student accident insurance cover? The student accident insurance will be covered in physically injuries and other during the events including with the coverage class for select. These are the coverage class for the follow first coverage of all student. For the all student response suspend activation including but the not the limited of insurance and football. Class 2 these are the definition of ranking must want be coverage choosing of any three coverage and explorers and these are available to privacies and customers and covering stability customer and coverage by the science medical technology has been genetically improved the cost of medical complex. These are the medical complex steering the payment could be suspending school student academy insurance coverage limited because they are the student academy and including the officials enter the coverage of the smallest under the county procedure a country discretionary limits. For example, the student purchasing many other types of included policies and limitations are here to provide and many other requirements are here to produce and reduce policy contact the two description and many other quantities you can see here. तो यही हमारी आज की वीडियो थी स्टूडेंट इंश्योरेंस के बारे में। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको पसंद नहीं होगी।